In today's guide video, let me show you the way that you can recover a deleted YouTube channel. If you had previously deleted a channel and you're now trying to recover it, let me show you a few steps that you need to follow. If this video sounds helpful, make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. First of all, open up a web browser and then search for youtube.com/support. Once you do, you'll land on the support page or the support section from YouTube. Now to report or contact the support channel of YouTube, you can click on the three lines on the top left and then click on the submit feedback option. You'll see two options. You'll need to select the second one and then click on next. Now in this section, you'll again need to choose a option, scroll down and click on something else. Now here what you'll need to do is explain why you previously deleted the channel. Was it by mistake or you were willing to delete the channel and now you need to recover it? So add in a proper explanation. Also add in a screenshot to make sure that your channel was actually deleted. Once you add in your explanation and as well as the screenshot, you can click on the send button. Once you hit submit, your report will be sent to YouTube and the help or the support team of YouTube will contact you through your email address. So that was the way on how you can recover a deleted YouTube channel. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.